Hello everyone, doing a task given by the Spark Foundation. My task is to do a EDA part on the Indian Premier League data set, and where I need to find out the most successful team, players, and the factor contributed to win or loss of a team. And I need to suggest some team or players to a company which should endorse for its product. So first let us import the necessary libraries, then inputting the first dataset, that is match.csv, which consists of 756 rows and 18 columns. With the help of info function, I came to know that the umpire 3 variable contains more amount of missing values, and I came to know in data type of that variable. So the null value is containing 633 out of 754, so which can't be imputed. So removing that variable from that data set, so I left off with the 17 columns. With the help of describe function, I came to know the it only by default it only shows me the numeric. It only counts for the numerical variable, and it gives me the mean, standard deviation, minimum value, maximum value, 25th percentile, 50th percentile, and 75th percentile value. Now first I have draw a graph for the winning teams. Which team have win the maximum time and which have the least time. So from this graph I can say that Mumbai Indians have win the maximum number of times, and it is decreasing. The least winning is rising Pune Super Giants as have been least number of times. Now with how many runs they have win, the maximum which I found that Mumbai Indians have scored maximum number of times we have win by runs, and Gujarat Lion was the least. Now plotting a graph for the who was the man of match. Man of match, CSKL was the maximum time man of match, and Virat Kohli was the least. Now calculating now seeing a number of matches seen on the played in the every season. So the maximum number of matches played in the year was 2013, and the least in the year of 2009. Which team have win the more number of toss? The highest toss win by the Mumbai Indians, and the lowest was the rising Pune Super Giant. From this toss winning and the winning teams, I can say that who have win the maximum number of toss, they have win the games. As Mumbai Indians have given the maximum number and Rising Star the least, toss even win by maximum by the Mumbai Indians and least by the Rising Pune Super Giants. By winning the toss, in which year they have chosen to in which year field and batting was chosen the most. Batting was chosen in the year of 2013, and least in the year of 19, 19 and 18. Field were chosen most by the in the year of 2019 and least in the year of 2010. If if a team wins their toss and choose for the batting first, So the highest percent is Mumbai Indians. Second is Chennai Super Kings. So by that we can say that choosing it in the first position have got the Mumbai Indians got the most chance, and and that team even got wins the maximum number of matches. And who has chosen the second position, that is the Kolkata Knight Riders first, and then the Mumbai Indians. So from this two graph, even I can say that the first winning the highest match win by the Mumbai Indians, and the second highest was the Kolkata Knight Rider based on their the batting selections. Now, what were the match venue chosen for playing the match? The highest number of venue chosen at Eden Gardens, and the least number of times chosen was out students over. Now importing the second dataset, that is delivery, and it consists of this much of rows and 21 columns. And with the help of info, I came to know that each event contain the maximum number of missing values. So replacing the filter, it is contains the maximum number of missing which can't be imputed, to replacing that variable left off with the 19 columns. Now the dimensional kind, if I found the dimensional kind, where I came to know the maximum number of out was the chord, and the maximum and the least was obstructing the field. Thank you.